We all think of space as completely silent. No sound at all, but is that really true? Recently, NASA recorded something extraordinary, mysterious sounds coming from a black hole. Of course, you can't hear them directly. There's no air in space to carry sound. Instead, pressure waves ripple through the hot gases surrounding the black hole. Scientists converted those waves into something we can hear. The result? A haunting, eerie melody, almost like the universe itself is whispering its secrets. Space isn't silent after all. It's alive, echoing with cosmic music.